In some controlled environments, potentially harmful compounds are removed to protect people, processes, and your product. The CleanSeal Exhaust Integrity has been designed to help safely deal with these compounds. The unique grid design allows an easy integration of pre-filters to remove larger particles and protect the HEPA filter. Another patented CleanSeal family design feature are the adaptable, tool-free, quick filter clamps, which allow the integration of different HEPA filter depths for enhanced energy performance. The manual integrity probe allows for an easy, room-sided, non-intrusive filter validation to ensure optimized system performance. An optional testing shroud can support with an ISO 14644-3 compliant aerosol challenge. The control box with filter DP manometer provides convenient access for the integrity probe drive as well as particle counter or photometer connection, ensuring that all contaminants are safely captured to protect your people, processes, and the environment.